Now let's look at how websites actually work in the next slide. Websites live on special computers called servers. When you type a website name in your browser, like Chrome or Safari, your device sends a explain what a website is and how it works. Also identify key parts of websites. Lesson objectives. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain what a website is and how it works. Also identify key parts of websites. And then 3, understand how you use websites in daily life. And lastly, get inspired to explore or even build your own website. I'll be glad if you're able to build your own website after watching this video. All right, so let's dive into something we all use, that is websites. So whether you are buying shoes online, checking results, or scrolling through news on Ghana Web, you are using website every single day. But have you ever stopped to ask what exactly is a website and how does it work? So a website is a space on the internet where people share information. So we can look at it this way, like Kaneshi store, a store in Kaneshi, you know, that has a name, product, and a place people can visit. A website works just like that, but this one, we have it online. You need the data. You know, let's look at real life example. Let's say you want to sell your handmade beads online. You will need a website, right? Your website becomes your digital shop. The domain name is like your shop sign. For example, www.okranbees.com, and the web browser. That is the throttle that takes people to your shop. You get it? Now let's look at how websites actually work in the next slide. Websites live on special computers called servers. When you type a website name in your browser, like Chrome or Safari, your device sends a message to the server. And on the server then sends the website back to your screen. It's like ordering food from a restaurant and they bring it straight to you or straight to your phone. Let's take it like that. All right, so let's look at part of a website in the next slide. Every website is made up of a few important parts. The home page, that is like the front door to your site. Other pages, maybe for contacts, products, or blogs. Now, links. The links help you move around the site. Take notes. And of course, text and images, just like what you see on posters or flyers. This is a brief, info about websites. Now, next slide talks about websites we use every day in Ghana. We use websites more than we realize. And here are some familiar ones. Jumia, that's for online shopping. I do use Jumia a lot. You can go to Ghana Web for news updates, or gas.government.gh for school information, especially for those watching, the students. Even Vouch Initiative International for learning IT skills. You can visit our website for IT skills, knowledge and IT skills as well. Now, on the next slide, how do you access a website? So to view a website, you only need 3 things: a phone, tablet, or computer. A browser, that's another thing you need, like Chrome or Firefox. Do you get it? And then you need internet connection, even if it's MTN zone bundle or your friend's hotspot. You'll be able to access websites. Can you create a website too? Do you know how to create a website? Absolutely. These days, anyone can create a website. You can use tools like WordPress or Wix. It does not need any coding, no knowledge in coding. Or if you want to get serious, you can learn to build one from scratch using HTML and CSS. Just imagine building your own site to show your music, your business, or even your farming tips. Why it matters here in Ghana. Website can help you do so much right here in Ghana to market your Kenke business online, kenke.com, promote your fashion designs, to people outside Accra. You can also teach others what you know, like through a blog or videos, and even apply for school or jobs. Our final slide. So next time you open a website, don't just scroll and go. Think about how that site was made, and maybe even how you can make one too. Because whether you are in Hohoi, Tamale, Bodrase, or right here in Accra, the internet has room for your ideas. So let's explore it together. Thank you, and then stay blessed.